A routine request at work, such as a small software purchase, often requires multiple sign-offs, creating delays that feel like inefficiency. This slowness, however, is not accidental. It is a built-in feature of large organizations, designed for stability rather than speed.
Consider a routine action, like updating a shared document or making a small, necessary purchase for an ongoing project.
This straightforward task may require sign-off from multiple managers, sometimes across several different departments, before it can be completed. The common assumption is that this complexity is simply the result of poor design. In reality, this structure exists for specific and intentional reasons.
This process often feels like an obstacle, a series of rules and procedures that appears designed to make simple things difficult.
The key insight is that these approval systems are not built to optimize for the speed of an individual task. Their primary purpose lies elsewhere. To understand this purpose, we must first examine how large organizations are structured.
Most large organizations are built on a hierarchy, where authority is distributed across different levels.
In this structure, decision-making authority for certain actions is held at higher levels. This requires requests to travel up the chain for review and then back down for implementation. This hierarchy is combined with a division of labor, where each role has clearly defined responsibilities and a limited scope of action. This division of work creates a fundamental challenge related to differing information and goals between individuals at different levels.
A conflict of interest can arise when one person takes actions on behalf of another. The individual doing the work often has different immediate priorities than the manager who delegated it. For example, a team member is focused on completing a task as efficiently as possible. A department head, however, must ensure that same action aligns with broader goals, such as budget compliance or long-term strategy. The employee performing the task typically has more detailed, on-the-ground information about it than their manager.
The approval process serves as a mechanism to bridge this information gap. It forces a review that aligns the employee's specific action with the manager's broader interests and responsibilities.
Structure is designed to apply this alignment at scale, ensuring consistency and control across the entire organization.
By enforcing standard rules and procedures, the system ensures that similar situations are handled in the same way. This reduces risk and makes outcomes more predictable.
This deliberate structure creates a fundamental trade-off between the speed of an individual action and the overall control of the system.
The system is intentionally designed to prioritize control and predictability, even at the expense of speed for any single task.
However, when this focus on control and risk reduction becomes excessive, it can result in a state of inaction.
This can create a situation where the fear of making a wrong decision or the volume of required checks stops any decision from being made at all.
So while the process can be frustrating, the layers of approval are often not a sign of a broken system.
They are the logical consequence of a system designed to manage risk, ensure compliance, and maintain strategic alignment in a large, complex environment.
Ultimately, approval systems trade individual speed for organizational stability, ensuring the actions of many people align with the goals of the wider institution.